Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Automator and creating a new workflow type that matches the task. Choose Quick Action or Application and set the input context so Automator knows what you'll pass in. Once done, add a starter action like get specified Finder items or ask for Finder items to grab files right away. Make sure to set the input options and application scope. This makes downstream actions receive the correct data and prevents common mismatches early. Now you build the meat of the workflow by dragging actions into sequence and configuring their parameters. You'll set filters, file type constraints, and output folders so each action hands usable data to the next. Once done, insert variables or loop constructs to handle multiple items and use filter Finder items or combine PDF pages where necessary. Make sure to test each action independently. That way you catch configuration errors before chaining. Finish by running the workflow end-to-end and observing the output so you confirm every action behaved as expected. You should save with a clear name and export it as the appropriate type. Quick Action for contextual use or application to run independently. Make sure to grant Finder or app permissions if prompts appear. If something goes wrong, check that each action receives the correct input type, confirm file permissions, and reorder actions. Enabling logs or adding a simple quick look step helps pinpoint failures quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.